Hey, what's going on, guys? Just gonna see if I can help anybody who's having the same problem I am with Elder Scrolls Online, trying to get through the patcher as of recently. Seems to be stopping at 7% or 9%. Um, should look something like this. If it's similar to you, maybe this fix can help. I'm gonna try and walk you through the process of how I do it. See right here, my patcher stopped at 11%. That seems to happen like 2 out of 3 times I do it. The other one's like 9%, the other one's 7. And the way to see if you can get this fixed is you want to go to your Steam library, Steam Apps, Common, ZeniMax, and Launcher. And you want to go to Host Developer, the one that has the most current date, which would probably be today's date and the time that you try to launch the patch. And launch it in Notepad if it's not automatically set up in your system. Go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see how it gets a webget error here, and there's a web address. So what you want to do is you want to highlight this whole web address, and it is very funny to kind of get it unless you have your window at a certain size. You could always do the shift and click, and you see it says 302 to 303. Now if you went to the folder I'm going to show you, it'll kind of explain it a little bit as I get through this, but it'll show that there's a patch fail here, and for some reason it's happening with a lot of people's systems. And you want to go to Google or whatever web browser you use, patch paste, and then you go in here and it'll pull up a download for the zip file. And what you want to do is you want to take it to your ZeniMax folder, the one where this one's a game player, so it will look like this one right here. And you see how it has the partial download? That's where you want to save it to. So you can either copy this folder here, which is what I decided to do. It seems to be the easiest way. And then just paste it up here, and you'll see that it'll bring up your folder, and you save it there. And now if you go over to your same folder where I just told you to head to, you'll have the zip. Sorry for the poor editing. Just trying to get this out as quickly as possible. Basically, after you get to the download inside the folder, just restart your patcher, and it should begin to patch through. If it seems to get stuck again, just repeat the steps and just try to keep going at it, and it should eventually patch all the way through. If you have any more questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. And if you guys have any other fixes, it might be a little easier than mine. Feel free to post, and if I can go through it and there's no videos, I'll make a video to see if I can help some people out. All right, good luck, everyone.